Good morning, Hacktech. This is Joseph Ayala with the Flight Aware Systems. This is the submission video for my project. Now, unfortunately, due to a miscommunication and error, my project was promptly taken apart last night, so I can get some sleep. So all I can do really now is describe the implementation and how my project was working last night. So I have my BMP 0500 Adafruit BNO 855 chip. It is a gyrometer, magnetometer, accelerometer. I have an RF24LO antenna transceiver. My Arduino, which would be attached to the aircraft, and it would be attached to the control servos in here with the pins that I have. Now for ground control station side, I have another Arduino with the transceiver, optical LED display, and then there would have been another LED to indicate that I had radio connectivity. So it would help with the debugging. The course of the project was to help smooth out or help prevent sudden movements in flights with the gyro. The gyro would pick up the position of the aircraft, given if it was placed over the center of gravity or within the inside of the fuselage. And if a sudden disturbance was felt, it would use that input of information and either try to smooth out that maneuver using the elevators in the back or the rudder in the back. The ailerons at the moment are in another place right now because it is a bit big of a wing. And then let's see if I can pull. So here's some of the code for the 24L1 that I was mashing together last night, where I was sending it through the radio transceiver. I opened up a channel. So the way the transceiver works is that you have to open multiple channels on that frequency to send packets of information back and forth. And by sending that information back and forth, you have to tell both radios to stop and listen to the information that's coming in so that it can decode that. Okay, there you go. Decode that information and then determine what to do next from there. I'll be submitting whatever code that I was able to produce up to midnight last night. Beyond that, that was my hardware hack. Can also be implemented as a social good into flight systems for commercial aircraft, prevent them from performing any disastrous maneuvers such as the Malaysian Airlines crash or most recent, the one in Calabasas, California. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too soon to talk about that, but I'm looking for implementation of a project that can help save lives and prevent any other aviation disasters. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your considerations.